Monday evening, everyone. I'm KLBK Chief Meteorologist Jacob Briley here at the 7 o'clock hour, giving you an update on those showers and storms that we have ongoing around the region. So, let's head outside, take a look at what we've got going on. Notice these storms are pretty scattered in nature around the region, meaning that not every single part of our viewing area is seeing this activity, but those of us that are seeing some locally heavy downpours, some gusty winds, and even some small hail with some of this activity as well. So let's take a look across the region. We'll start up north. New development here in portions of Castro and Swisher counties. This activity is continuing to overall push to the north and east. Special weather statement, though, has been issued for this tan box through 7:15. So just a couple more minutes left on that. We are seeing some very heavy rainfall with this activity. In fact, a flood advisory has been issued here for portions of Castro County. Over the past 3 hours or so, radar is estimating that we have seen some pretty heavy rainfall totals. In fact, estimating about 3 to 2.5 inches of rain for some locations. But note that that is slightly skewed a bit on the high side due to the fact that we had a little bit of hail reported with that activity as well. Some activity moving into portions of Palmer County right now too. That extending down throughout Roosevelt County, Bailey County, more activity moving in there. This activity west of Littlefield back towards, say, northwest of Looms Chapel is beginning to fall apart. But again, we do have that aerial flood advisory remaining there because over the past couple of hours, they too have seen some pretty heavy rainfall totals. In fact, we're looking there at around that 2 to 3 inch mark as well. But again, that is likely skewed a little bit due to the fact that there was a little bit of hail ongoing with that shower and thunderstorm activity earlier. Here in Lubbock County, had some activity at the early portion of our 6 o'clock hour. That is falling apart, though, now. And just some light rain continue out near Petersburg, north of Abernathy as well. Seeing a strong storm southeastern Floyd, southwestern portions of Motley County. This will be heading straight to the north, so pretty close to Matador, if not just slightly west of Matador, east of Floydada, kind of riding the county line there. As we go back to our south and west, seeing some activity on the state line there, southwest of Plains, northwest of Denver City. More activity near Lovington down towards Hobbs. That activity possible of maybe some 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts and penny to quarter-sized hail. But what I want us to focus on is this activity here in eastern New Mexico. Notice how it has really kind of increased in coverage over the past 30 minutes. This loop that we have going on for you right now is only over the past 30 minutes, and notice how it's really increased in coverage. It's this activity that we are going to be watching as we head through the overnight hours tonight and the rest of the evening hours to bring us some more of that heavy rainfall. So as we take a look at this activity moving forward in time, notice this is expected to develop, at least based on the latest data, into more of a line of showers and thunderstorms. This activity will push to the east by midnight, impacting the Interstate 27 corridor back through the Highway 62-82 corridor. And then this activity is going to linger tonight into the early morning hours of our Tuesday. And notice how we kind of have that backward C shape here with this activity. That indicates that we could see some strong wind gusts with this, possibly damaging wind gusts out of this activity that we're expecting tonight through tomorrow morning. And then by sunrise or so, isolated showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two, can be expected to remain. So for the rest of our Monday, a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk of severe storms exists for areas in dark green. And the biggest concern's going to be those 70 mile per hour wind gusts and maybe some quarter-sized hail events as well. But we are also looking at the potential of some flash flooding with this activity that we got around the region too. Areas in yellow highlighted and a level 2 out of 4 slight risk of flash flooding tonight through tomorrow morning. So make sure you stay weather aware. Download the Everything Lubbock weather app. It is free in both the Google Play and the App Stores. Make sure you're giving us a follow over on Facebook, X, and stay up to date on our website at everythinglubbock.com as well. But stay safe. Hopefully you get some good rainfall and we can get through this event with no widespread severe weather across the region.